Good morning, guys. It's your boy JefTV, and today, oh, she's already there. I'd like you guys to meet Nori and Kiwi. These are my dogs, and today I'm gonna take them for a ride and show you guys where you guys can take your dogs. Let's take a look. Alright guys, time to go in. Okay. Can you go in yourself, Nori? Alright guys, let's go. So if you guys have any dogs and you only own a motorcycle, you can still take your dogs for a ride. All you gotta do is buy a big bag, like specifically made for dogs. Because my dogs are really tiny, they're poodle mixed Pomeranian. So all you gotta do is buy a big bag that could fit both of them. That's probably how they feel at the back right now. Oh, the wind. Maybe not so much for the noise, but yeah. Let's go! You guys alright back there? If you guys are wondering where you can take your dogs for a good walk or a playground for them to run around, there's this place called the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal. Yeah, it's a cruise terminal, but they made a park, like this huge grass area. It's not specifically made for dogs, but it is a park that allows dogs. So that is why I take them here. And also it's not far from my place, so yeah. And if you want your dogs to play around with other dogs, every weekend there will be tons of people would take their dogs here. And so yeah guys, we're almost there. I would say it's more convenient to take your dogs here on a bike. It's because there's this alley that I can just put my bike on and not worry about parking, because the spot where we're going to, if you drive here with a car, you'll have to take your car to a parking. So when you reach the last roundabout, so there you would see the parking, right? But for bikes, ooh, they actually closed down in that area. But okay, I'm gonna try. Whoops, okay. This is the alley that you can take your bike to, and no problem. Yeah, I know. They said not to enter, but a lot of people do. This is the part where I'm gonna park my bike and then let the dogs out, because I'm sure it must be so hot inside the bag. Okay, now they're out. Come on guys. Alright guys, we're here. So this is the entrance of the park. Hey Kiwi, Nori. No, don't disturb him, man. Voila! This is the grass area I'm telling you about. It's so green and sunny, although it's a bit cloudy today. But look at them go! Kiwi, Nori, let's go! Come here, you! Oh, my hair is... Alright, seems like they want to sit here. Nori! Good girl! Alright, have a seat. So guys, if you guys take your dogs around on the bike, make sure you grab your essentials. So I have my pouch for my water bottle, another pouch for their treat. Got one more bag here. That's for their wipes. You know, like if they ever poop on the ground. Yeah, you have to clean their poop. You have to wash off their piss. So don't leave them on the ground because be environmental friendly. So this water bottle is really cool because you don't have to grab another bowl to put on the water. So what you have to do is just flip this thing like so, and it creates like a bowl. Yeah, they're already so thirsty. So all you have to do is just squeeze. There you have it. Careful, guys. So, meet Nori and Kiwi. Who's the good girl? Who's the good girl? Nori. Good girl. Kiwi, why so far, man? Come. Here you go. Good girl. So yeah, I tried different type of treats for them, and somehow they like fish, so I get them this salmon flavored treats. Yeah, they love that a lot. Guys, this is Kai Tak Cruise Terminal. It's really spacious, and you know, I get to enjoy it as well because you know there's a lot of fresh air, and I love fresh air. Alright guys, so if I bump into you in the street and you're one of my subscribers, I'm gonna take you guys for a ride, alright? You guys ready to go home? Alright guys, so that's Kai Tak Cruise Terminal. So if you happen to have dogs, this is one of the spots you can take them to. Definitely I had fun. Surely they had fun. Alright, till next time guys. Peace!